Hello, hello. All right, live stream number 94. I've done 94 of these bad boys. Can you believe it? Okay, I actually have to start this playlist over. Okay. All right. Hope everybody's doing good today. Getting in here like right on time. Make sure everything's working here. Okay. I'm like involuntarily fasting right now. I've been so busy. Haven't had time to eat properly. That's how crazy these last like 3 weeks have been. 4 weeks really. Maybe even longer than that. All right. Got all that going. I'm seeing all kinds of movement already, which is a great sign. Okay. Just gotta check the news really quick. From what I remember, it's a bunch of news today, which kind of sucks, but you know, nothing I can do about it. It's gonna have to trade through it. Make sure I got the right. Okay. Okay. So we got 1 a.m. GBP heavy news. 5:30 CPI. Yeah, that's gonna slow the session down. 7 a.m. got a bunch of CAD heavy news. Yeah, it's a heavy news day. Most of it is in the New York session, but that still affects the London session volume as well. So I'm gonna have to look out for that for sure. See what's going on with the dollar. Dollar's still coming down. It went a little bit over my little line here, but I was correct on that one. So still pretty big downtrend on the dollar, which is good. It makes the trades easy. Doesn't matter whether it's an uptrend or a downtrend. As long as it's heavy like this, it makes it much easier than if it wasn't. Go ahead and check the majors. So yeah, these will probably continue to go up. Might get a little correction at the beginning of the session. That's been happening a lot. I did not have time to do the recap today. I don't think I'll have time tomorrow either. I got a super pack day tomorrow too, so I might have time maybe later on, like after 6, I think. I might be able to do at least one of them. But if it comes down to it this weekend, I'll just do all of them and just put them all out on like Saturday or something. Okay. Yep. Yeah, it looks like we're still having upward movement on those major pairs, and this one should be coming down still. Yep. Yeah, UCAD's still coming down. It kind of struggled at this level here. It finally broke through, and it's coming down pretty steady now. Systemized profits, how's it going? I'm doing pretty good. A little overworked as usual, but you know, the prices are up. Gotta, you know, kick it into high gear right now. Can't be living on the street. You know what I'm saying? Bitcoin is on its way back up, looks like. But it's holding pretty steady at 30K, which is good to see. Okay, looks like we got some movement on the yens too. See, I took this trade early. I should have let it run. Yep. Took forever. Man, that's like the longest trade I've ever taken. But yeah, I took it at I took it at 2% instead of 3%. I should have let it run. I could have even gotten like 5% out of it, which was pretty obvious. I should just let it do its thing. Gotta be patient. Especially with these big heavy trends, they're almost always going to go through. It's almost like guaranteed to go through. You just have to wait for it. Oh, you're 1.5% in profit, ended in -2%. Yeah, that's kind of how my day went too. I was like well over, I think I was over 15, no, I was over 1600 at one point, and then ended up with like -200 or something like that. So it's pretty frustrating. It happens. Sometimes the trades go through later on. It's all about timing. But when you get it, you get it. When you win big. When you lose, you don't lose that much. So, you know, you just have to keep plugging away at it. And remain calm. Don't try to like revenge trade it back. It's going to make it worse. Don't do that. I have to tell myself that all the time. Yeah, it's just a part of the game. You get used to it after a while. It doesn't, my first like 2 years, I used to get super mad, like real mad. But now I'm able to like, okay, it's just a part of the trading process. So there's really no reason to get mad. Yeah, see, here's a perfect example. I got stopped out by like, let's see. See if I can fit all this on here. I got stopped out by 5 pips, and then it went through a couple hours later. So that's, I lost $200 for no reason. I would have made 600. So stuff like that. I could be like really mad about that, but like I said, it's, you know, it's a part of the process. It's okay. Yeah, it's very, I would say revenge trading was like my worst issue, and the one that took the most effort for me to correct. And then still, I don't know, once or twice a month, I'll still like kind of flip out every once in a while, but not nearly anywhere near like I used to. I'll say it like this: if you're going to revenge trade, at least do it with the same amount of risk that you normally use. Don't like triple the risk or anything like that. At least revenge trade responsibly. Don't get all crazy. EGBP coming down pretty hard. I'll probably not trade this today. Yeah, man, 5 pips. 5 pips. That happened like twice yesterday. I took another sell over here. It might still be on here. Okay, it's not on here anymore. forget where I even took it. Yeah, I can't remember where I took it, but it was another one of those. It was like 0.2 or 0.3 pips away from the take profit, and then it stopped me out and then went through right after. Yes, trade responsibly and revenge trade responsibly. Save yourself a bunch of money. Think about your mental health. When you lose big like that, it's gonna mess you up for a couple of days. You're gonna be pissed off at yourself, as you should be. Alrighty, we got 16 minutes before this party gets started. Might get a move back up here. I'm not really sure if I want to get into it though. That's a pretty big move down too. And last of all, just gotta check the GBP and Euro cross pairs. The CAD ones are coming down. GCAD. ECAD. Yeah, I'm still probably not touching these for a while. Sometimes the E franc and the G franc are tradable. I don't think that's the case today. Yeah, it's looking like we can trade the majors today, possibly one of the yen pairs, possibly the odd NZD. Probably not the EGBP. It's just coming down so heavy. I don't know if I can get into a long trade on this one today. Maybe though. It is possible. All right, still got 13 minutes. Yeah, if anything, I can go short on the EGBP. If it comes up really fast, I'll probably short it if that happens. I don't see anything super convincing yet. I get a little bit nervous when you have like super huge. Oh, that's the daily. Hold on. Yeah, when it sees like super huge moves, I think it's gonna come up a little bit for the open and then come back down. I always get nervous when it's like just steadily going down after days and days and days. Now over here, it like just started coming down, but this is already like 2 days in, and it's on the hourly chart too. So I'm a little bit hesitant to go short there right now. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to wait until the open today before I take anything. And I'll probably even wait a little bit after the open. Yeah, the easiest moves today should be off the dollar just because it's coming down so steady on all the charts. But we are coming up to this level here. So I mean, it's got a while to go, but it is coming up. Just something to look out for. Alrighty. Okay. Got nine minutes. You know what I didn't check is these other indexes. You usually get some clues from these two. Although they're not that reliable. Usually the dollar, the yen, and the franc are like the reliable ones. The other ones are not as reliable. Sometimes the CAD too. Yeah, yen is still going. How it usually does. Yen loves to trend in one direction forever. That's what the name of the game is over there. Days and days and days. Got some really big moves down here. And the Frankian. I'll tell you one thing, it's been a lot of movement these past like 2-3 weeks. It's been really easy to trade. Almost like too easy. I'm getting nervous. Alright. Yeah, it's looking like we're gonna have some really like explosive movement today. That seems to be what's gonna happen. So I don't want to get in 1,000 trades like I did yesterday. I'll probably just take like 3 really good ones. If I can get the, 1,800 profit, that would be nice. MKKM, how's it going? I'm hanging in there. I can't believe it's only Wednesday morning. It feels like it's Friday already. I'll tell you, yeah, another thing is I can't wait until I could trade full time. I'm tired of working. Tired of all of it. I'll do it, but I'm definitely ready to be done. Did I work out this week? I worked out on Sunday. I don't know if that counts as this week or last week. But yeah, today and yesterday, no. I just didn't even have the time or energy to do that. I was working in the fitness industry, but I actually got a new job and a promotion. And I'm actually working in the finance world now. So it's been some big changes in the last couple of weeks. I'm just ready for it to, I gotta get settled in so it's not so crazy. That's why it's been so much more crazy than usual. I had to change a lot of stuff around, and it's been a lot. But once it's all settled, it'll be really good. Okay, we did get the big move up here, which I was expecting. Hopefully it goes up a little further though, and I'll short it. You probably go for it now. Okay. Now it's too close to the open. All right, so we got 2 minutes and 40 seconds. I'll be right back. Okay. All right. I might have missed this one here. But like I said, it's too close to the open. It's very likely that it'll go up a little bit further. I would like for it to go to like the 21 on the hourly. Then I'll definitely short it. I think it's too early. We still got 35 seconds until the open, so that's gonna be the big swing. I actually go long here. Yes, that is the move right there. Okay, so let's see. Oof, 18 seconds. 6, 6. If I got to double the stop, that's fine. So I got to time this like perfectly. Boom, bam, shablammy. Okay. Okay. So this on the open you usually get a nice reversal of so this is a heavy trend on the hourly chart. So the likelihood of it going back up is really high, especially at the open. And especially because it came down so fast. And then the EGBP should also be coming down at some point, which will push this up even faster. Okay, and I'll try to get this one too. Yeah, let's see if it makes it up here. And that would be two really easy trades to start with. Let's see. Should I do it now? Let's see. 4 or 8. Yep. We got the fast moves today. So I'm only gonna go for 2% on both of these, just because they're not really like super solid moves. They're kind of going off the momentum of the open. I don't want to go for 3. All right, and then the other one I was looking at is this. Like I said, you can probably go long here. I just don't like this big move down here. It's making me a little bit. Yeah, I'm not gonna take that one. I like to see if I'm right though, if it does go up. And then the yen should give me something. I think it's kind of too far down already, and it's right at this level, so it's kind of risky there. I'm actually gonna go for a double on this one. Okay. So if I do get these, it'll be $1,200. I think that's what I said I wanted. And they shouldn't take too long either. Alright, little consolidation here. Well, was that too early? Oh damn! I entered in on the wrong pair. I meant the GU, not the EU. Oops. They're about the same thing anyway, but kind of banking on the EGBP coming down. Actually, have to get out of this one. Okay. How'd I do that? Well, anyways, I'll wait for a proper entry here anyway. Yeah, I don't think this comes down for too long. So let's see, NZ, odd up, AD up. Okay. Yeah, it's gotta wait on the dollar and start coming back down. So I'll give it some time. Okay, it did make it up to the hourly 21. It's a pretty common trend continuation point to continue this trend down here. Okay. That's a good sign there. Okay, now get in on the proper pair, the GU. I think I should wait for one full bar though. Oh, so this bar has 4 more minutes to form. Yeah, I'm not loving how fast and how far these two came down. The AUD and the NZD are kind of like they still have some room to go down, which is not good for the other major pairs. So I kind of want them to all be lined up. I want this to be coming down, and then all these will go up. But so far, I'm liking this trade. This one looks pretty decent. Oh, I didn't put it on there. Whoops. I got in a little bit early. I didn't want to miss it though. So I can either short here, long here, or long here. Any one of those is good. I'll probably go with the stop order just to be extra safe about it in case this wants to come down some more. Okay, so this trade's looking good now, or these two trades rather. It was such a nice trade, I took two. So if it puts in a double top, which it might not even do that, I'll move the stop down. But for now, I'll give it the room. I wanted to have some breathing room. Usually what happens here is this will be a consolidation bar and then it'll just continue down from there. So I don't know if it'll make it past here. It might though. Okay, and I think I will take this. Yeah, I'll go with the stop order here. Make it safe. Oh, 8.24. Okay. Well, I've actually never done a stop order on this new MT5. Let's see. I don't even know how to do it. New order. There we go. Buy stop. Okay. Oh, cool. It's even got the little. Oh, that's pretty nice. Got kind of like C traders stop orders. 8.24. 4.7. Okay. All right, so I went with the buy stop over here just to keep it safe. Like I said, if it comes down some more, I won't be entered into the trade. All right, let's try that again. Okay. All right. 20. Okay, perfect. All right, that keeps it nice and safe. Okay, so I can move this stop down. It's safely far down enough for me to do that. Okay, so if I do get this EGBP set of trades here, it'll be 800 or a little bit over. Now that this came down a little bit more, I might go long here too. Okay, it looks like the AUD USD trade is going to trigger any second now. Okay, not yet. Okay, now I think it's gonna go. Okay, there it is. All right, so we're in this one here. So hopefully this will start to come up to make it even better. All right, so far so good. I don't think I have to move this stop back up. I might though. If it keeps going up any further, I'll move the stop back up where it was. It really shouldn't even make it back up there. Hey, what's going on with the yens? Okay, I think I will move those stops back up. 4-8. Actually forgot where I had them. I'll give it a little bit of room. Like I said, it's very unlikely for it to go much further. So now I put it. Right. Yeah, there's a possibility it could come all the way up here. Kind of doubt it though. But if it does, I'd have to just take the losses and then re-enter when it makes it up there. It should work from here though, where I have it. Yeah, definitely like a nice solid day today. There's been a lot of like frustrating days in a row. Oh, damn. You know what? I didn't put the okay, see, I'm making mistakes too. I didn't even put the right lot size on that AU trade. Well, it looks like it's coming down anyway, so okay. Well, that was a good mistake. Yeah, I was a little iffy on that one anyway. It came down so heavy. Okay, so I'll wait for another entry down in here somewhere. All right, I'll go for the emergency 3. 7. Oh, geez. Hopefully I don't get wrecked here. Okay. I might even get out of the trades if they go back to like break even or a small profit. I might just exit. I'm not really sure about it now. It was looking good in the beginning. So we still definitely have some dollar trades once this starts coming back down. Not sure when that's gonna be. So these trades here, I'll probably try to just get like 200 or 300 out of it. It should go back like down here somewhere. It might not go all the way to my take profit, so I'll just take them early. Okay. All right, I think I'm safe on this one. So is this ready to come down? Not sure. It definitely looks like it. Okay, I'll go for it. Okay. Re-entered over here. Possible that I'm too early, but it looks good. It's right at the 21 on the hourly. EGBP should be coming down, so pretty good trade. I'm still waiting on this one here. I want to see at least two green bars, or like one big green bar. All right, I'll be right back. All right, was that too early? Should I have went with the stop order? Probably. Yeah, it looks like this might actually go up a little more. That's gonna stop me out, unfortunately. Oh, maybe not. Yeah, the most important thing for this move to go through is for the EGBP to continue coming down. And that should push it through. But if the EGBP keeps going up, then I'm going to lose the trade. Okay, that's a good sign. MKKM, you said a lot of prop firms are popping up. Even a YouTuber I used to watch opened a prop firm. Yeah, there's like 8,000 prop firms. Yeah, I see a new one pretty much at least one or two a week. But yeah, the thing is, there's a lot of scammers too. So they gotta have some type of track record before I would do a business with them. Oh, really? The guy started trading 3 years ago and now he has a prop firm? Yeah. I think you need to be trading for at least like 5 years before anyone's going to take you seriously like that. At least 5. I'm not even there yet. That'd be like me opening a prop firm right now. That doesn't even make sense. Timba T, you said I like the no time limit prop firms. Yeah, there's different. I've seen a bunch of different kinds. Those ones tend to cost more, and they give you like less leverage and things like that. So if there's no time limit, they're probably not going to give you as much funding, or they'll charge you more up front, or maybe they'll charge you like a monthly fee or something like that. There's always some type of downside. Yeah, I might actually have this GU trade. I thought I was gonna get stopped out because I thought the EGBP was gonna start going up again, but it actually looks pretty good. Visible ID, you said I saw a stat from a liquidator, like 8 cap, that only 1 out of 400 people make at least as much as they paid for the challenge. Yes, because like I was saying, like I say all the time, people have like a skewed version of how long it's supposed to take until you should be a good trader, and people keep telling everybody, oh, you can get it in a year, you can be a good trader in 6 months, and that's just not true at all. It's like more of a three or 4 years to have like a really solid amount of experience to where you can do it consistently. Yeah, I'm sure the prop firms are cleaning up. I'm sure they're making tons of money, but it's not their fault. They didn't hold a gun to anybody's head and make you spend that money on that challenge that you're not even ready to do. No one forced you to do that. It's just like casinos. Nobody forced you to go in there and spend your money. So you made that decision to do it. It's your own fault. If you're not ready to do it, then don't do it. At least pass the trial version a couple times and have like a year, or at least a year, more like 2 or 3 years of trading under your belt, and then you can do it. There's no point in doing it like 6 months in. Yeah, if this puts in a big green bar, I'll get in here too. Oh wow. Visible ID, you said I was on a futures chat on Friday and there were 3 people who had failed 400 or more challenges, and several people said that they failed more than 150 challenges. Man, that's crazy. That is crazy. That's a lot of money. Yeah, you should be very confident in your skills before you're like basically wasting your money like that. You know, a challenge like FTMO is it's pretty tight, and you definitely have to be like really good with the compounding and everything. But yeah, you shouldn't 400 or 150. That's crazy. That's way too much. Yeah, too. People do all kind of like really reckless stuff. They'll get big inheritances and they'll put it all on like one trade. They'll put like $300,000 on one trade, stuff like that. I've seen a lot of stories like that. But once again, you know, that was a decision that person made. No one forced them to do that. Speaking of, while I'm over here getting wrecked, I don't want to have 2 red days in a row. Is that 2? I think it's 2. See, yesterday didn't even need to be a red day. Oh shit. Alright, it's too early. I should have went with the buy stop there. I'm gonna have to wait again. Okay, so the EGBP is continuing to go up, which is very not what I was thinking it was going to do. So like I said, this should be a good move up here. I just need a solid entry. I guess I had to be careful today, so I guess I'll use a stop order instead of just getting into it. Man, I wish I could stick around for the New York session. I think that CPI news is probably going to push the dollar up. It'll give a super good pullback. It'll probably push it up into like the 21, maybe even on like the 4-hour chart. It'll be a super good pullback to go back down. That's what I think is going to happen, at least. Oh, you lost your 50K account because you didn't meet the minimum trading days. Your actual funded account? Okay, this should be a good short here as well. But yeah, I'm going to be a little bit more careful with these entries today. I think that news... that New York news that's coming up is making it kind of a little more dangerous than usual. Okay, this might be good enough here. I think I wanted to go above that first though. I'm like scared to take trades now. Okay, I'm getting to this one here. Hopefully it does what it's supposed to do. Yeah, they got to bring back those dollar amounts on the stop loss and take profit levels. It's really messing me up, actually. All right. Okay. So once again, nice EMA pullback on the hourly. Hope this one actually works. Oh, okay, I see you didn't I see. Well, you know, they lowered the minimum days to 4 now. A lot of people were complaining about that. Yeah, definitely got to be like super focused on the challenge. This is like the worst time for me to be doing this right now. Like I said, I just starting this new job and everything. It's not the time for me to be trying to do this and do all that at the same time. Way too much going on. But I'm already in there now, so we're gonna do it. Yep. Yeah, definitely got to be focused. You know, check the account metrics every day and stuff like that. You got to stay on it. Okay, this is a pretty good short here as well. All right. It's actually a little late on this one. Okay, I might finally be able to get into the GU. We'll see what happens with these next two bars here. A maybe. I'm not a big fan of trying the same move over and over. Sometimes it looks good on the chart and it's just not good. But this should definitely go up. All right, I am going to try it again. All right, can we finally get some wins today? All right, and that should go much further than that, but I'm not even going to be greedy. I just want to actually make some money today. I'm not going to go for the shablammy. Yeah, that's another thing I noticed. If the session starts off terrible, just wait like an hour and it usually turns around and does what it was supposed to do in the beginning. Sometimes it's just delayed. Oh my goodness. I drank all 3 things of water. I go through some water, let me tell you. All right, these are all looking a lot better now. All right, I'm gonna grab some more water. I'll be right back. Okay. What I miss? All right, my odd NZD is looking good. This GU trade better not fail again. Yeah, the only issue now is a lot of these trades I'm in are kind of the same group of pairs. So the U-Franc and the GU are going to do the same thing. So either I'm going to win both of them or lose both of them. And I'm in 2 of the EGBPs. Like I said, I want those to just even out. I can just break even on those. I'm okay with that. I think this is going to be the opposite of yesterday. It's starting off bad and it should end well. Yesterday started off good and ended bad. Right, just deciding if I want to make any changes, anything. So far, it's looking like I'll leave everything as is. This one I'm gonna move the stop double. Yeah, I think that's it. I don't think I'm gonna change anything else. Not even double. I just wanted beneath this here. Okay. All right, EGBP is finally coming down. Took way longer than I thought it would. So now I have to make the decision. Do I want to just break even on those, or do I want to risk trying to get the profit? We'll see what happens. I'll probably just take like 200 out of it. At least get back to break even. And then the other trades can be the profit for the day. So this is good. Looks like I won't be ending, won't be a red day, so that's good. Okay. Here's where I gotta make the decision. Okay, might get a consolidation bar here. Yeah, the EGBP can make or break my day. If I get in on the wrong pair, it can really mess me up. Yeah, the only trade that's looking super solid is this one. And the U-Frank is looking pretty good too. All right, give these a little bit more time. Like I said, I'm just deciding on what I want to do these trades. Alrighty. All right, so I do have to get at least a little bit of sleep. So I got this 8 odd NZD long. Still short here. Actually moved the take profit. Pretty much break even. 13.9. So I'll get a small profit if it comes back down, which it should. And then what else? Got the U Frank short. A very good move on the hourly chart. And what else? And the GU long. Now this is my 3rd attempt on this move. Probably should have went for a 3rd one, but it just looks so good on the hourly chart. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Hopefully at worst I'll break even. If it goes the way I want it to, it'll be a really nice profit actually. So I'm gonna have to wait for a while. It's gonna take a couple hours probably for these to go through. So that is the stream for today. Hope you all enjoyed. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Later.